Welcome to What's Now. I'm your host, Christine Napier. We have a great show for you today, all about your health. We're going to focus on eczema, atopic dermatitis in children, dementia, the heart rate, indoor air quality, and more. But up first, I spoke with Dr. V all about fall health and wellness. Let's take a look.
As we enter the fall and winter seasons, joining us today with important wellness tips is the TV host known as Dr. V. Dr. Yael Varnado is a practicing physician at Johns Hopkins, founder of AskDrV.com and the nonprofit Get Checked for Life. Dr. V is a guest and medical contributor on shows like Dr. Oz, The Today Show, CNN, and The Steve Harvey Show, and now Park City Television. Thanks for joining us, Dr. V.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to see you.
So tell me why fall and winter months are associated with getting sick, and what are some challenges facing us this year, besides the ones we're already dealing with?
Right, mid-COVID, right? So You're exactly right. You know, in the fall and winter months, we're coming back indoors, so we're not spending as much time outside, and that increases your chances that you're going to be around more people and potentially people who are sick. So it's really important that as we're all coming back in our homes and we're spending more time in front of our screens, that we build like a fortress of health in our house. And it sounds silly, but people never think about this, but you know, the lighting that you have in your home as the winter months, you know, kind of peak and we have less light outside, it's really important you have good light because it's essential for eye comfort and also for your sleep patterns. And so I tell my patients to look for the Philips Eye Comfort label when you shop for bulbs, because the label on that product packaging will lead you to be confident and know that your bulb meets quality standards and that that bulb is easy on your eyes. And they comply with specific criteria for flicker and strobe and glare. So you can feel good that your family's eye health is really been thought about and considered, and that you're not going to be experiencing that eye strain. So that's an easy fix, just swapping out a light bulb inside your house.
And what do you think is the most important thing people can do to stay healthy?
You know, I really am a proponent of prevention, and that's really key in my household and in my practice because, you know, it's not okay to just get sick. We got to prevent it. You know, we have to keep ourselves as strong and healthy as we possibly can. And so in my household and practice, I really try natural, herbal, and homeopathic remedies where possible as a first line. And so I recommend Boron's non-drowsy cold calm melt away tablets because they're easy to take at the first sign of a cold. So if you have the sneezing, runny nose, nasal congestion, or even that minor sore throat pain that you're experiencing, this will target those specific symptoms of the cold. I also have kids in my household. They are germ factories. And so these, the Melt Away tablets by Boron can be easily taken by anybody in your household ages 3 and up. They're easily dissolved under the tongue, and they do not interact with other medications. So that's a go-to to have in your medicine cabinet for prevention.
And if you do get sick, what should you do?
Well, of course, call your doctor, and then they're going to tell you, get some sleep, right? Get some rest. Allow your body to heal and to rejuvenate and regenerate itself. And so that's hard for a lot of us because we're working from home. So when do we get sleep? So my go-to is Sugar Bear Sleep Gummies. They will give you that restful sleep that you need. They're vegan, non-habit forming, they're free of artificial sweeteners, and the berry flavored chewable helps you fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. So they are my go-to this season to make sure that you're just really optimizing your sleep. And you can check them out at sugarbearhair.com along with their other best-selling hair vitamins.
And do you have any other suggestions to avoid getting sick?
For sure. You probably have a whole host of masks at home and in your car. And one of the things that we really have to remember is our skin, our face, is our first barrier of defense, you know, with our immune system. And so it's important to have an effective cleanser for our skin. We're also seeing more people come into the office with maskne. I mean, it's something we never thought about before. So it's important to have a good cleanser like the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser because it has 4% benzoyl peroxide. It's going to clear, treat acne and those nasty little blackheads. And it has 3 essential ceramides to maintain your skin barrier. So that's going to put moisture back in, allow your skin to heal, all while helping to prevent acne breakouts. So that is a must-have this season, especially as we go into the winter months when your skin is drier, but you're still having to wear a mask and, you know, potentially be susceptible to breakouts.
And where can we get more information about everything you've talked about today, all these great useful tips?
Check out tipsontv.com.
Will do. Well, thank you so much, Dr. V, for talking with us today and helping us face this winter season healthy.
Thanks, Christine. Stay healthy.